Hello guys, welcome to Tech Brain. My name is Sam, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on automatic replies in the Outlook app. For this we wanna go to the Outlook app and open it. Then you want to press on the Profile tab and go to the Settings. Here at the Quick Settings you can see the automatic replies. For me it's turned off right now, but if you want to turn it on, you press on it, automatic replies, and as you can see you can toggle it on and off. And when you turn it on, you can see reply within a time range, send replies only during a time period, and reply to everyone or only the organization people, or use different replies for every reply. That's also an option. So this is how you turn on the automatic replies on the Outlook mail app. If you have any further questions about Outlook, please let me know down below in the comments, and see you in the next one.